Welcome to the PTM of Khaitan World School, Amroha. I need to know if Aradhya feels comfortable coming to school. She enjoys whenever she feels in morning like, oh, this is a school time and now I need to go to school and meet my teacher and learn new things.
Yeah, she is quite excited while coming to the school. And day before yesterday only, she was saying, I want to go to school. I like to play there. And she was very excited day before yesterday. She was telling herself to me.
Okay, so when she started coming to school in April and now, what changes you are noticing in her behavior and her play manner? So, but what you are feeling overall changes in her personality?
I feel the difference in her. She is so much into her vocal activity. I can see much increasing day by day. She is so confident also. I can see in group where she is not able to say and she is feeling dull. But nowadays she is so confident and is speaking in front of everyone. That is major difference, and we are very happy parents that we chose this school, and this school made us proud.
See, what was happening in the last school when she was there, it was like she was getting some activity and she was getting like you have to mug this these lines up and you have to come in the school, you have to speak on the stage. So she was quite nervous all the time because always I came to know that she was not able to speak when she was on the stage. So that was the feedback I got from the last school. But what I have seen here, we never got into much details of what academics you have or but I saw my daughter speaking herself or speaking means telling stories, long stories. I think 3 to 4 stories I saw, and this is when we saw your video which you posted, I think in Facebook or in WhatsApp. We saw even our daughter was speaking, and then we asked her to speak in the at home, and she was quite comfortable in telling all these stories. So we were also surprised that we did not help her this time and she was able to speak. So that is what we expect from the school or the teacher or you all management people.
Also, I like to mention that she is so confident and she is not feeling insecure or dull, or she is so happy enjoying her school. And also I like to say that her class teacher is so much hardworking, even cooperating, also very caring. Day before, matlab, earlier school in which she have studied, there she are not able to complete her lunch, and also she is sitting and crying. Teachers are not taking much care. But here we can
school,
see
the strength was, I think, around 30 students were there. So it was very difficult for a class teacher to take care of each and every student. But since you said the class teacher to the student ratio is less over here, it's around 12. So that is the benefit of this less strength over, I mean, in the classroom. So that is the benefit. Along with that, the hard work is also more.
Yes, because as per NCF also, we are following NCF here, and as per NCF, we need to follow the ratio of 12 to 15 is equal to 1. Speak themselves, and they are learning the public speaking. I want some suggestions if you have for the betterment of a school, betterment of the academics and overall thing.
See, my daughter is in LKG, and the kind of activities you are conducting in the class or the academics you have, that is sufficient. I think I can't expect more than this at this stage. Obviously, when she will grow up and she will be in 7th or 8th class, then we can start expecting. Or
So
she
now
can.
this is my
Right now, you are satisfied whatever we are doing here,
Yes.
and with the ratio of the teacher and the student and the activities, the learning, how she is learning, expressing herself, she is being confident. You are satisfied with this.
Even
everything.
if I go back to my academics, I mean up to 12th or in the engineering, we don't
able to-
remember
yes.
each and everything. Okay?
Yes.
And it's only we are remembering or what we are doing today. And we have learned to the plus point is here, we learned to speak when we came to the college. The opportunity to getting on the stage and speaking on some topic, we got that opportunity in the college only, and she is getting it from the LKG. So obviously that is what I understand is the important thing.
She is
now,
also bringing certificate
nowadays.
home. She's so young.
So
that-
excited whenever she
Yes.
brings certificate.
Yeah, so happy
Yes.
also at the same time.
Yes.
Feel
So
happy.
thank you so much for joining us, and it's a very nice time with you. So we will have such kind of sessions in future also. And this is third PTM, and we are going to meet you very soon, maybe in January or February. So we will have something like this.
Thank
It
you.
It was nice
Thank
discussing
you.
with you.
Thank you so much, sir.